Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make simple deposit on Binotrex through USDT as one of the most preferable means to make deposit on Binotrex. As you can see, my account there's nothing on my account. I will click on deposit, then I will specify a kind of wallet I will be depositing into. So let's click on deposit. After specifying USDT, I will click on either ERC20 or TRC20. I'll be using TRC20. You can see my barcode and my address. I will copy my address. Then I will go straight to my USDT wallet. That address we copied is a receiving address on Binotrex. So I have, I think, roughly 138 USDT on my USDT address. On USDT wallet. I use Orbit Global as one of the most reliable USDT wallet. I will find my USDT. Since we are depositing, we click on withdraw so that we can deposit on Binotrex. It will show us a page where we can withdraw by pasting our Binotrex USDT wallet address. We have a ERC20 option, TRC20 option, Echo option, and all that kinds of address there. We have OMNI, which is a Omni wallet. I'll be using TRC20. I will paste my address. After pasting, I will specify the amount. I can input $50, but I will be receiving $49. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using $51 so that I can receive $50 on my Binotrex account. I will click on withdraw. I will check that box and confirm. Okay. I will wait for security reasons and for authentication code. The code will be sent to my email address. It has been sent. I will check my email address, copy the code and paste on this authentication page, I mean to say. These are done for security reason. I've seen the code, so I'll be typing the code so that I can initiate my transaction and send money to my Binotrex USDT wallet. Confirm. It will take roughly about I think 2 minutes at most to receive money on my Binotrex account. So I will go click on OK. Okay, as you see, the money has not entered. So let's wait and see. We can still check our Orbit Global wallet to see if the money has left our wallet. We'll check on history. Let's check on history. I think let's just see if the money is there on history. I'll click on history and I will check my withdrawal history and see if there's a transaction ID there. If there's a transaction ID there, that means the money has been sent successfully to my Binotrex account. So let's see. I click on withdrawal history, and I'll check details. Okay, yeah, that's my transaction history. Let's go and check Binotrex and see if the money has entered. And yes, I think it has. Yes, it has entered. So that's how you make simple, very simple, deposit on Binotrex. The steps are very, very simple for professionals and beginners. So that's all for today, guys. I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.